Hey guys, welcome to the Jones Kitchen. My name is Erica. If you're into good food and would like to learn amazing new recipes, remember to subscribe and smash the bell notification to receive a little reminder every time we drop a new video. Today guys, we're going to be making an easy homemade ice cream. You don't need any ice cream machine, only your bowl, a whisk and a freezer. Let's get into it. Pour your whipping cream in a bowl, then whisk until light and fluffy. Then add the vanilla extract and half of your coconut cream and mix again until all the ingredients are combined. Add the rest of the coconut cream and mix. For this recipe, we are using the canned coconut cream, not the coconut milk. Now add your berries, give it a quick mix, then transfer into a container and freeze. If you want to add additional flavoring, now is the time. For us, it's gonna be desiccated coconut. After 1 hour, remove your ice cream from the freezer, give it a good mix, smash the berries and put it back in the freezer until it's completely set. Melt some good quality dark chocolate and coat the top of your cone well. Add some sprinkles and chill until set. I like to be pretty generous with my chocolate and sprinkles on the cone, as we didn't add any sugar in this ice cream recipe. Remove your ice cream from the freezer, use your spoon to work it until it's nice and smooth. Now it's finally time to build your ice cream. Transport yourself back into childhood and add as many sprinkles as you can. Considering this is not a traditional ice cream recipe, the ice cream itself is surprisingly smooth and the berries add some natural sweetness to it. All in all, I give this recipe an 8 out of 10. So give it a go and let us know what you think. Thank you all for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful in any way, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell notification so you'll be the first one to know when we drop a new video. Ciao ciao!